Can children participate in all religious practices? Have you ever wondered if children can take part in all religious practices? This question opens up a fascinating discussion about faith, culture, and the role of young ones in spiritual life. The answer is not straightforward, as it varies widely based on different religions, cultural contexts, and specific practices. In many faiths, children are encouraged to join in rituals, ceremonies, and prayers. This involvement helps them grow spiritually and feel a sense of belonging within their community. For instance, children often attend services, celebrate holidays, and learn about sacred texts or moral teachings that are suitable for their age. However, there are some practices that come with age-related restrictions. Certain rites of passage, like bar or bat mitzvah in Judaism, confirmation in Christianity, or initiation ceremonies in various traditions, are typically reserved for children who have reached a specific age or developmental stage. These events mark important transitions and often requiring a certain level of maturity. Legal and ethical factors also play a role in children's participation in religious practices. In many secular societies, governments may step in if a religious practice poses a risk to a child's health or safety. For example, if a religious belief leads to refusing medical treatment that could harm a child, the law may intervene to protect the child's well-being. The balance between a parent's religious rights and a child's welfare is often a delicate one. In schools, children's religious expression is protected but regulated. Students can express their faith through speech or prayer, as long as it does not disrupt the educational environment or infringe on the rights of others. Schools must allow voluntary religious expression while not endorsing any particular faith. From a broader perspective, children's participation in religious life reflects the diversity of traditions and societal values. Some religions promote early involvement, while others introduce duties gradually. The role of children in religious practices is also connected to issues of religious freedom, child rights, and cultural identity. In practical terms, families and communities guide children's engagement with religion. They often adapt practices to ensure they are age-appropriate and that participation is voluntary and informed. Common ways to include children meaningfully are through religious education, storytelling, and communal celebrations. Overall, while children can participate in many religious practices, their involvement is shaped by religious norms, legal protections, and concerns for their well-being. Restrictions may apply when practices pose health or safety risks, and educational institutions strive to balance religious expression with constitutional principles. Understanding these factors helps us appreciate the varied ways children engage with religion across different traditions and contexts.